Good morning, grade 2s. How are you? Well, I'm so glad that you're still sticking with me and that you are still coming to the lessons and watching. Today we're going to have a good look at the 3 times table. Up till now we've been practicing the skip counting in threes, and we're going to do the 3 times table and revise some of the others to see how good you were with retaining what we've been learning over the last few weeks. Alright, so if you're ready, I'm ready. Remember, we warm up our brain with the skip counting, so we are going to get straight into that. There we go, we're going to count in threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60. Only up to there. Let's go back. 57, 54, 51, 48, 45, 42, 39, 36, 37, 30, 27, 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3, 0. And as you can see, I've also put the numbers here for you. Let's go. 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, and 36. So we're just counting over there. But before I carry on with the 3 times table, I want you to have a look at some of our vocabulary for the 3 times table and for all the multiplication sums that we use. We talk about arrays. Arrays is exactly what you see here. It is rows. Arrays is a very nice way of showing multiplication because you can see how many in each row, and it's also easy to see how many rows you have. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows here, of which if we put the threes together, it's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. And if I lift my fingers together with this, it's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. And I've counted 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Arrays is a very, very nice way of showing multiplication and of showing adding of groups. I just want to show you how we would be adding the groups for that, because it's important to know that with our multiplication, what we are basically doing is we are basically just adding groups. Let's have a look. There's 3 plus 3, there's the other 3, plus 3, there's the next 3, plus 3, and here's the next 3, plus 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 3 equals what? 15. And instead of saying 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, we can now say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we say 5 times 3 equals 15. All right. I've made some charts here for you. I call them my Subtrees charts. All right. So here's my first lots of threes chart that you can have a look at there. And as you can see, there's 1 3 here, and 1 3 is equals to, yes, you're right, this is a lot of 3. 1 lot of 3 is 3. Sure, there's a lot of 3's there. Let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yo, what are 11 threes? Let's see. It's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30 and 33. So let's fetch the 33 and let's put it there. How many threes do you see here? How many lots of threes do you see there? 1, 2, 3. And 3, 6, 9. Can you see? So let's take the 9 and put it in there. Lovely. And how many lots of threes do you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We did it at the top there, so I'm not going to do it again. We know the answer is 15. At the bottom we see 2 lots of threes there. So 3, 6. And let's fetch the 6 to be the answer there. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lots of threes here. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. When I've counted 6 times, I get all the way up to 18. So I put the 18 in there. How many lots of threes do I have over here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them all in all. And 4 lots of threes adds up to 12. So that one says 12. Here I have a lot of them as well together. So let's count and find out how many lots of threes I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 lots of threes. So we know 12 lots of threes will land up with 36. Do you want me to check? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. We've counted 12 times and the answer is 36. I had to borrow some fingers for the second round, okay? That's 36. And at the bottom here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lots of threes with 18, 1 lot of 3 with 3, 11 lots of 3 with 30 gives 33, 3 lots of 3 adds up to 9, 2 lots of 3 adds up to 6, 4 lots of 3 adds up to 12. And as you can see, I have got a few more numbers left. And let's see if they can go into these lots of threes I have over here. Here's some more lots of threes. And of course, here are no lots of threes. Nothing, nothing. So, 0 groups of 3 is 0. It's 0. There is nothing. If there's nothing, there's nothing. Okay. So let's see how many lots of threes we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 8 lots of threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. I went all the way up to 24 for 8 lots of threes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many lots of threes do we have in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lots of threes. Let's count. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Yes, we went all the way up to 21 and we have got 21 in this one. How many lots of threes do we have at the bottom here? This also looks like a lot. So let's count carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 lots of threes, and let's count. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 20, 18, 21, 24, 27. You'll see there with the 9 fingers, it comes up to 27. And that's exactly how many we have here. Then we've got a few lots of threes in here. And this is going to be 10. I know, I counted them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them there. And it adds up to 30. So you can see all the lots of threes in the house of 3. And that is basically the 3 times table. So let's look at the 3 times table up here. Here's the 3 times table. And let's put in some answers there on the 3 times table. 0 times 3 is 0. 1 times 3 is, 3. 2 times 3, 6. 3 times 3, 9. 4 times 3, 12. 5 times 3, 15. 6 times 3, 18. 7 times 3, 21. 8 times 3, 24. 9 times 3, 27. 10 times 3, 30. 11 times 3, 33. And 12 times 3 is 36. Well done. And now officially you have been introduced to the 3 times table. In the next few weeks we are still going to do a lot of draw work with the 3 times table, but I also want to see if you can remember the what questions in the 2 times tables. So if I say times 2 equals 18, do you still know how to get there? Remember how we did the skip counting on the number line? We go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and it is 9 times 2 equals 18. More about all of those exciting things at a later date. See you next time.